todo video tutorial series. In this video tutorial we are making a to-do app using React.js, and it's a third part of this video tutorial series. Now in last video tutorial we discussed until here how to create array and store in a hook or in a variable using the hook and display in front end. So now in this tutorial we make it dynamically. When we type here something and on click at the save, this text will append here in our to-do list. So for this one we need um, variable where we store our this input text, and then that variable value we have to set in our to-do. So first I'm going to take a variable, say any name you can type it, keeping it input, and set input. Use date, and let's keep it empty. And this input I'm keeping here as a value. Okay, next when I type here something here, this value should be stored in input variable, means here. So for this one I will keep here on change. Yeah, let's say event, or you have to keep here, then set input and e dot target dot value. Now when on changes happen, mean when we type here something and by the help of set input, this variable we set that value or store the value in our input on this variable. So let's make it here print, sorry, it's console.log. and print this input. Make it save, and let's go in our inspect element and under our console. I'll see if now I'm going to type here a. You can see this value now it's stored in our input variable. Perfect. This is the first step. The next step, we have a value here in our input. So I want to set or append this value in my to-do list array. So for this one we have to make here a method. The name is, let's say, submit to do, and event and this event I'm going to make the prevent default. This prevent default to avoid the reload our page when we make a submit. So here in button I will make here on click function, and I will pass this method. Now what will happen here, when someone is click on this button, okay, then this method will be run or play. And in this method first we have to set our to do, and in our array keep previous to dos by using this method and comma, and we have to append our index. That's it. Make it save. If I go to browser and I'm going to type here hi, and when I click on save, now you can see hi is here, and but the value is same here. Next we have to remove this value, and I'm going to type here set input and make it empty. Now hello, and when press on save, now it's clear our field and our input value is append here. Hello world, and I save, append. So it's a very easy and simple way I explained how to create our to-do list. But let's remove these static items, and if I go here, nothing is here. I'm typing here meeting today, then I will type here, let's say any to-do you want, what you want you can store here. Now I'm going to reload. Our to-do item is removed because we store here in our this to-dos. It's our by using use state. It's a temporary hold our or store our variables and data. So it's very easy and simple. Now make it more professional. In next video tutorial, we'll make one component for this to-do list, and we will pass this to-do data to that component, and it will be appear or show in front of our here page, in this page. So that's for this video tutorial. In next video tutorial we will create a to-do component.